Hi guys, welcome to Explore with Ivan and Zane. Today we are taking you along to the farm market to shop for all the essentials we need to transform our home for the fall season. There are so many farm markets near us, but we always seem to get the best moms at this particular market. So we came here today to get all the items that we need to transform the house. There were so many nice colors for the moms that it was so difficult to make a decision. We typically get like the brown or yellowish looking ones, but this time Bismarck wanted to try something new, so we ended up with a different color. Well, with a brown one and then one different color. But overall, I like how it turned out. So make sure to check out our next video to see it. Fall decorations have been a home tradition over the past 2 years, and we typically buy some pumpkins, mums, hay bales, autumn leaves, and then other decorative items. Hope you enjoy watching this video as we walk around the market and then decide on which colors to get for the moms. And then also we saw so many different pumpkins. Like, I didn't know there were so many different varieties, but it was nice to see. And then we also got some new items for the house. So hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to check out our next video or shorts to see how we transform the house with the items that we get from today's visit to the store.
Where are you going?
Can you wait?
What do you think?
Mister, what do you think?
Junior, I can for some of the more.
I think you're just fascinated by this color combination.
Yeah, it's very, very
Yeah, if you want it, it's okay, you can buy it.
And it's the last two. I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison.
Yeah, the same size.
Okay, thank you. The break we can do is to change the item.
Please.
You want to count? Yeah, I'm coming. Oh wow, that's pretty huge.
Junior, wait, pumpkin.
Uh-oh.
Junior.
You have to wait. And lastly, we have the brown neck pumpkins. And the flat white pumpkins. Time to check out. Oh, you bought candy?
Yeah, let's go. Junior, let's go.
Candy.
Go to mommy.
A little scarecrow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting videos.